Assalamu alaikum. My name is Eshal Shifan Ismail. Today I'm going to show you how to fill up a balloon with chemical reaction. What we need for this experiment is a bottle, a balloon, vinegar, baking soda, and 2 funnels and a spoon. First pour the vinegar into the bottle. Then put the balloon on top of the funnel. Then pour the baking soda into the balloon. Then very carefully remove the balloon from the funnel. Then stretch the neck of the balloon and put it on the bottle. Then take the under end of the balloon and pour all the baking soda into the bottle. Then you'll see it will start to fill up instantly. This is because baking soda mixes with vinegar and creating a gas called carbon dioxide which fills the balloon. Jazakallah khairan.